In today's episode of Lawsuit in the News, I want to talk about an article I read in the Financial Times, and this has to do with the case of Ricardo Salinas, which is a Mexican billionaire and owner of Grupo Electra in Mexico, which is a big financial services company. So here's the situation. Mr. Salinas was seeking lenders to lend him some money, and in return he would pledge his stock. And this company that one of his advisors told him about was supposedly connected to the Astor family, which is known for being connected to the Waldorf Astoria hotels, real estate in New York, so a big billionaire family. And they said that, hey, they would lend you the money, just pledge them your stock. And this was fraudulent. This actually was not connected to the Astor family. It was some other gentleman actually in Atlanta, Georgia, uh, posing to be related to the Astors, but was not related to them at all. And so what had happened was that Mr. Salinas would pledge $450 million of his stock, and in return, the Astor Group allegedly would loan him $150 million in cash, which he would pay back over a term of years and at an interest rate at 1%. What had happened in reality is that once the Astor Group got a hold of the $450 million in stock, they sold it and gave from the proceeds of the sale, they gave him $150 million that he was asking for. So essentially, what Mr. Salinas did was he gave this fraudster his stock. The fraudster sold his stock and then just gave him back the money as a loan. I mean, wow. But eventually they caught wind of this, and now they're suing the fraudster in England, in the New England, in English court. Um, and there is a lot of issues with this lawsuit because the fraudster in their contract asked for an arbitration agreement to be included that said that any arbitration needs to be in St. Kitts and Nevis, which is a small Caribbean island. So this was a massive failure by Mr. Salinas and his team in letting this fraudster take control of $500 million in stock. And now they're trying to find the money. They're trying to go after the money. And they also have an arbitration agreement that they have to go over. And what a big fiasco. This just goes to show, be very careful about who you're seeking loans from, especially in these stock for money types of situations.